Making ends meet on a limited budget can be a real challenge. But with some planning and careful analysis of your spending patterns, you can make things easier for yourself and your family. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Success Wisdom Channel. In this video, we will talk about money saving tips for low income earners that you need to know. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. So whether you're struggling to make ends meet or just want to find ways to save more, this video is for you. Stay tuned. Money saving tips for low income earners number 1. Make and stick to a budget. Making and sticking to a budget is critical for anyone, but especially important for those with low incomes. A budget ensures that your limited resources are best used to cover your most essential expenses. When making a budget, including all of your income, government benefits, or other forms of assistance, then lease out all of your necessary expenses, such as rent, utilities, food, and transportation. Once you know how much you need to spend each month, you can begin looking for ways to cut costs. For example, you may be able to get a discount on your rent by agreeing to do some maintenance around the property. Or you might be able to take public transportation instead of driving your car. By carefully planning your budget, you can make the most of your low income and stretch your resources further. Money saving tips for low income earners number 2. Put money into a savings account every month. If you're living on a low income, it can be hard to make ends meet, let alone save for the future. However, putting aside even a small amount of money each month can make a big difference down the line. One of the best ways to do this is to set up a direct deposit from your paycheck into a savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money on other things. Another good idea is to automate your savings by setting up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you'll always have some money put away in an emergency. Finally, resist the urge to dip into your savings account for non-essential purchases. Money saving tips for low-income earners number 3. Clip coupons. A straightforward way low-income earners can save money is to clip coupons. By looking through flyers and online ads, you can find coupons for items you plan to purchase. This can be a great way to save a few weekly dollars, which can add up over time. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for discounts. Many stores offer discounts for seniors, students, and members of specific organizations. If you don't ask, you won't get the discount. However, you may be surprised at how much money you can save if you ask. Money saving tips for low-income earners number 4. Compare prices when you shop. Suppose you're on a tight budget. It's essential to be savvy about your spending. One of the best ways to save money is to compare prices when shopping. This can be done quickly by using online resources or apps that allow you to compare prices at different stores. Doing a little research can ensure that you're getting the best possible deal on every purchase. Additionally, it's always worth considering generic or store brands instead of name brands, as they often offer comparable quality at a much lower price. Money saving tips for low-income earners number 5. Use public transportation or carpool. One of the best ways to save money, especially on a low income, is to use public transportation or carpool whenever possible. Gas prices can consume a large chunk of your budget, so taking advantage of buses, trains, and other forms of public transportation can help you keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. If you need to drive, carpooling with friends or co-workers can also be a great way to save on gas. Not only will you split the cost of gas, but you'll also enjoy some quality time with friends or colleagues. Either way, using public transportation or carpooling is a great way to save money and reduce your carbon footprint. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Money saving tips for low-income earners number 6. Sell unwanted items online or garage sale. This is a great way to declutter your home and earn some extra cash. which can help pay down debt or build up your savings. You may be surprised at how much money you can raise by selling old clothes, furniture, books, and other items you no longer need. And best of all, it's a free way to make some extra money. Money saving tips for low-income earners number 7. Get creative with meals. One of the best ways to save money is to be creative with your meals. If you're on a tight budget, eating out or ordering in can be tempting. However, cooking at home is almost always cheaper. And with a bit of creativity, it can be just as delicious. For example, try making your own at home instead of going out for sushi. All you need is some rice, seaweed, wrappers, and whatever fillings you like. You can also get creative with leftovers. That half-eaten chicken can easily be turned into a hearty soup or a tasty sandwich filling. So next time you're feeling short on cash, try getting creative in the kitchen. Chances are, you'll save yourself a lot of money in the long run. Money saving tips for low-income earners number 8. Invest in yourself by taking free or low-cost courses to improve your skill set. Taking free or low-cost courses to improve your skill set can pay off in the long run. Not only will you get better jobs and earn more money, but you'll also be able to save money by negotiating for higher wages or improving your DIY skills. Money saving tips for low-income earners number 9. Cut down your utility bills. As a low-income earner, you must be mindful of your spending to make ends meet. One way to cut down on expenses is to reduce your utility bills. Here are a few tips to help you do just that. First, install energy-efficient light bulbs. They may cost more upfront, but they will save you money in the long run by using less energy. Second, unplug electronics when you're not using them. Even if they're turned off, they can still use energy if plugged in. So, unplugging them will help you save. Finally, keep your thermostat at a comfortable temperature. You don't need to crank the AC or heat to stay comfortable. Find a temperature that suits you and stick to it to save on your energy bill. Following these tips, you can keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket each month. Money saving tips for low-income earners number 10. Look into government assistance programs that can help with bills and groceries. Government assistance programs can help low-income earners with bills and groceries. You may be able to get help with rent, utilities, food, and other needs. Some programs can help you pay for childcare, transportation, and other expenses. Contact your local government office or social services department to find out what programs are available in your area. You may also be able to find information online. Once you know what available programs, you can decide which ones will work best for you and your family. Remember, every little bit helps. So don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Money-saving tips are essential for everyone, but they can benefit low-income earners trying to make the most of every penny. We hope that you found these money-saving tips helpful and that you will continue to use them to help stretch your budget. What is your favorite money-saving information? Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.